the Z is finally basically all put together, ready to go. I got new brakes, got the Hydro ebrake in it, got new pads, rotors, and brake fluid. So today I'm gonna take it out and finally do a break-in for the brakes. Yeah, we're gonna break the brakes in. So a bunch of like acceleration, hard braking, just to get some heat in the rotors. And you wanna do this break-in cycle a few times so you don't have warped rotors in the future. But yeah, I haven't driven this car really in like 5 months. So I'm just excited to go drive it around now that's all put together. And then maybe we can even try out the Hydro ebrake. We gotta break that in too. Gotta do some braking with the Hydro ebrake. So check this out. So here is the Hydro ebrake. And what's cool is it clears to my parking brake, so you can still use it. Dual caliper setup. Ready to go. Alright. Now let's go for a drive. So we're just gonna get up to speed. Got the new brake pads in, new brake rotors in. So just gotta kind of break them in. Find a stretch of road here and do some aggressive, slightly aggressive braking. Oh man, it just feels good to drive this thing. Put the AC going and I've never been able to lock up the brakes in the past with whatever random brakes, crappy brakes that came with the car, so this is pretty exciting. Let's try out the ebrake. Did you hear that? I felt that sounded kind of weird, but alright. Let's try it again. Let's see if we can lock them up. Alright, that works. Alright, let's try this again. Let's do a Hydro ebrake grab. Smoke coming out the back. There might be flat spots on my back tire. Holy shit. Alright, let's try braking in the regular foot brakes. Wow. I don't know if you can tell the whole car like was skidding because there's no ABS. But yeah, I'm feeling confident with these brakes now. Oh my god. The Hydro grabs so well. Man, I'm excited to take this thing on the track. This is too excited. Oh yeah, the brakes work real good. So it was a successful drive. Nothing broke, nothing fell off the car. So I'll call that a win. When I was first hitting the brake, I was so used to like my crappy brakes that when I hit the brakes, the front brakes would lock up on the freeway and smoke because it's such a soft compound tire in the front. I've never had that happen before, so now I finally know what it's like to have proper brakes. And all it is just some cheap blank discs in the front and rear, and then some stock Stop Tech pads all the way around, and some Motul 600 brake fluid. So pretty good stuff. Yeah, I mean, and this is the first time I've seen the car out in the sun in so long, all put together, and it just, after 5 months of not driving it and then having the brakes all set up and having a hydro e-brake, it just feels great. Feels fun. I wouldn't say I fell back in love with this car, but definitely like this car a whole lot more and really enjoy driving it now. So that is what's so exciting. And I mean, it's not very inconspicuous to have a big old hydro sticking out the front, but screw it. So check these out. Since they're silver, you can't really tell on the street, which I guess that's a good thing unless you're like looking for it. So, but it is working good. One thing I noticed about the extra caliper mount is it pushes the whole hub out like 7 millimeters. So now I'm a flush boy, kind of. Maybe even poking out just a hair. But cool little benefit. Get that a little better stance. Same with this side. Well, this side's mostly because of my terrible mounting skills, but it is what it is. Got this side skirt falling off. Yeah, I'm excited to use this thing. Maybe I should tuck this thing back in when I'm on the street so it doesn't draw too much attention. Oh yeah. The fitment and the placement is like perfect for ergonomically speaking, so I'm still very happy with it. Oh yeah. I gotta figure out a way to be able to mount the center console back in so it doesn't look so ghetto. So this is my other lens I'm shooting with right now. It's a 28 to 70 millimeter lens. This is all the way zoomed out. And this is zoomed in. Wonder what kind of shots we can get. Just want to compare the differences of this versus what I had earlier. Still learning, new camera, proper camera, still learning how to use these lenses, and yeah. Oh, this is kind of a cool view. Anyways, I'll have to keep messing around with these cameras and these lenses and learn what works and doesn't work. But Yeah, let's go hit a racetrack soon.